Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Teams where the recording is stored, usually OneDrive for personal meetings or SharePoint for channel meetings. Once signed in, go to the Meeting Chat or Files tab and find the Recordings folder. Click the specific recording to reveal controls, then choose the three-dot menu or open the Details pane. This exposes file metadata and sharing options. Make sure you see the storage path and your permissions before proceeding, because you'll need edit rights to change expiration settings. Once the file details are visible, look for Manage Access or Properties to find expiration or retention controls. These are sometimes under Advanced settings. If the recording lives in OneDrive, open Manage Access, then Advanced, and edit the link expiry or access expiration directly. If it lives in SharePoint, go to the Document Library settings or the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center to change a retention label or automatic deletion period. Make sure you save changes and verify. After updating the expiry settings, click Save and refresh the file view to confirm the new expiration date is shown. You should also update any shared links and inform participants about the new timeline so they can download if needed. If the change doesn't stick, check your edit permissions and whether a tenant-level retention policy or admin lock is enforcing a different rule. As a troubleshooting tip, contact your IT admin to review retention policies. Sometimes tenant compliance settings override per-file expirations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.